Welcome everybody, I'm Emmy and you are on my Zentangle channel and this is Inktober 2024. I'm so excited to be here with you and working with you again on day 14. So grab all your supplies and let's start in our creativity notebook. Today we're going to do a very fun pattern called Caserene. It's by a woman named Susan Yeo. And I really do not know a ton about it. I know that it's fun. So let's get started. Grab your pencil and we're going to make a box, largish. Divide your box in half. And you see that I'm working wonky style. This is just pencil, it's just practice. As you know by this, it does not matter how this looks. So the first thing I'm gonna do is on the left side of each of these boxes, I'm gonna put a hairpin. Look, just like that. I'm gonna put another one here, and another one here, and another one here. Now that I've got that done, I'm going to put a stick that's at least as tall as the hairpin and maybe a little taller. And then I'm going to angle that stick up and touch this wall here. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to put a stick and I'm going to angle and touch that outside wall. A stick and a second stick that touches the outside wall, and then do that same thing this time. Alrighty, very cool. So the next thing I'm going to do is kind of interesting. I'm going to connect this to this. Watch. I'm going to do that down here too. And then I'm going to do this here. Can you see the pattern emerging? I hope. So what Susan Yeo does is she darkens here on either side, like this is a fold in. And here. And then she takes a minute and puts a round, like a lid over the top, or a roof. So the roof goes like this on each of these patterns, like that. And then here it comes down the other side. And here's another one, and it comes down the other side. Kind of cool? Now this one will have a lid that goes up, like it's going on and on, like these houses are all joined. And then here too. Kind of fun, huh? Okay, then I want to take a minute here and darken into this corner piece. Like this is our, where the houses join and maybe have a bit of a angle to them. And if I put this shading in here, then it will reflect that. I can take the shading all the way along here. And that changes it up a little bit more too, doesn't it? I really like the look of that. I don't know if you can see that out on your screen. But that is the essence of the pattern. Now, let's work over here in our really cool books that we made. And this was day 13. And this is day 14. So I really want to be careful here. I really like the way this book is turning out. So I'm going to work in pencil again. And this time I'm going to do it a little different. Now that I got the hang of it, I'm going to come along here maybe on a bit of an angle. I'm going to divide my line in half. I'm going to put another line way over here. and another line way over here. Switch to pen. I'm going to put that hairpin here. I'm going to put another hairpin here. And I'm going to put another hairpin here. Then I'm going to put, remember that line that goes past the door, only a little bit higher here. Same one here. And this one has to pretend, doesn't it? Then I'm going to put this line up to here. And the next one up to here. Darken that pencil line that I made. And then connect this top of this roof to the bottom of that one. Top of this roof to the bottom of that one. And this was my first line that I made. And I'll connect that there. Isn't it the coolest thing ever? So now you remember this part. This is where that line went up. The next line went up. And now we know what happens. The line comes over like this. Now, just because I can't help myself, I'm going to put the pattern "ah" in here, like it's sky. And then I might do just a little darkening here. And you could put as many rows of these houses as you wanted, you know. And you could change the angle up of these doors so that they reflected something different. And they just go off into wherever you want them to go off into. A little bit of shading. I'll put the shading on top of that pencil mark that I laid in here. I will also darken each of these doors in pencil. Take that shade a little bit further. And we could actually darken these roofs too. Roofs. You get the illusion of the houses? I hope you do. I think it's really cool. I think it's a really cool pattern. I really like it. I'm proud of it, and I'm going to put my name on it here. So, thank you so much for watching today. Please take a minute and like the video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you would. And hop on over to Facebook. Emmy's Zen Friends always has a good time, and I'd love to see you there too. Thank you so much. I appreciate you being here, and I'm enjoying teaching you, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow on the 15th. Thank you. Bye.